some people that have registered through us.
All right, so I'll just take it up from here. Let me be sharing. I'll share my screen. So to access the platform is at Classes.ng. You can search by location. Let's assume you're looking for a JAM class in Lagos. You have a bunch of results like this. You can search by location. And these are some popular centers in Lagos who offer these classes. You can see the classes listed there, the tags and class types. So let's assume we want to book for a class in a center called T-Square Educational Center. Opening their profile, you have their class tags and their classes, their class posts or publishes listed on their profile. You can see. And under it, we have student reviews. You can post a review here, or you can view already posted reviews. So let's assume we register for this particular class called this particular SAT2 class. So it takes us straight to the payment section. In this payment section, you have the class ID, associated center, amount due, payment status, and by clicking on this button, you can quickly make payments in a very easy and straightforward manner. You can pay using your bank card or your bank information, transfer code, and all that. So coming back to this dashboard, you have a list of your orders here, classes that you've ordered for, both the ones that have paid and the ones that are not paid yet. You can even delete orders here and many other functionalities in real time. So an important aspect of this platform is the center dashboard, where a center can log in. There's also an app for this which can be downloaded from here. They can log in here and manage their classes. In other words, they can publish new classes here based on different parameters. They can edit and modify existing classes in real time, and this is all reflected on their profiles as it's happening. So that's basically the way it works on a very basic level. So going back to our slides, I've talked about the platform and its many features. I'll just quickly talk about our team. I've introduced two of us already, Daniel and Muftar. Last person is Victor. He helps us handle partnerships. So basically what he does is he's in charge of closing deals with centers. What we do is we have a commission basis with these centers. Our commission is usually between 8% and 12%. When we have a deal with the centers, whenever we get a student for them, we remit and part of the payment to them and keep our commission. So that's basically how it works. And currently we've closed about, I think, 2 or 3 deals already from students, and we're growing steadily. Yeah. So I think that's about it. Thank you very much for listening, and it's been a pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.